short makes it harder. It still can be done because we have plenty of room for error right now. This is before we tighten this up. Comes out. Big Al. Here's a rider not turning his head nice quite fast enough, very common. That's why I tell riders to exaggerate that motion with your head. Turn it fast and far. He did it. It ain't pretty, but he's doing it. It'll get prettier. The more you practice this stuff, the better you're going to get. Michael. He's got a habit of looking down. We tried to break him of that habit. Next time he comes to the class, I'm going to use